Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, overnight trade's pretty quiet. Not a lot of new news. I think the market, first of all, is trying to find a value that could encourage increase in demand, especially on the export side, versus all of the concern about fiscal cliffs, and that could be bearish to prices. Overnight beans are down about 6 to 7 cents, corn's down about a penny, wheat's up about 3 to 4 cents. In each individual market, the bean market's probably looking at South American weather as being non-threatening at this particular point, and it offers some resistance in the market. On the opposite side, you're seeing some still strong demand. We're going at a pace for beans of about 140 million bushels more than the government is estimating, and the government looks for demand to be 120 million bushels below last year. So at some point in time, we've got to slow that demand pace down. When we saw the crush data yesterday for October, the actual crush was higher than expected. We saw a record high soybean oil yield and a lower than expected meal yield, and that may have been a result of this year's dry weather. On the corn side, we haven't seen really a pickup in export interest, but it could be there with U.S. Being more competitive. But there is talk and that U.S. supply right now, as we go into the marketing year, is below the demand pace, and at some point in time that'll be supportive to the marketplace. Also in wheat, we're competitive on the export side, but it seems like buyers are still on the sideline thinking that prices are too high. We do have some issues with low water in the Missouri River. The Corps of Engineers may cut off the supply from the Missouri into the Mississippi River, and that could cause some disruption in barge movement. Right now, the CME is saying it will not disrupt the delivery elevators supply, but people are actually looking at a little bit firmer in cash markets, as there might be some double buying going on before the mid-December closure. In general, markets are still drifting, trying to find new news, and could be quiet into the weekend. Weekly export sales reports delayed until tomorrow, and that also offers no news today for the market to trade. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.